Bugat yan. Bugat ang tiyan. What is it? Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Kamusta ang allergy? Diyos. Kish, kano siya man gawa siyang bibi? Kano nga magawa sa mga bibis ni mo? Ha? Shush. Good night. Shush. Kaparaygon eh. Kaparaygon kayo na mo eh. Ay, shush. Paraygon eh. Night. Good night. Good night. Yung allergy eh. Shush. Ang 8 kabuok. Ang 8 kabuok na anestiyan. Nakaro sa ama mo magawa. Ang gayo. Wala. My love. Anytime tonight, my love.
Anytime, how do you know?
Because look at her vajayjay.
Okay.
It's swollen.
For the puppy, for the 1 month, we need to keep the puppy here, put the pampers.
Yeah.
And if it's cold,
Put the heater on. Yeah.
In the night.
Yeah. We have
And
to
close the door.
we have to close no, we have to yeah, even we close the door she's going to open, so we have to put something.
For what? She open.
The door.
No, she don't open. We put the food and water here. She don't go there
Hopefully, yeah.
because she can't. She go there for eat and.
Good night, langga.
And-
Okay. Anaalang miha kung na manganak na ka, magkuan ka kay tabangan ka namo. Okay? Sakit na? Ang sakit? Okay. Okay. Good night. Kiss me. Good night. Gina ha? Tawag na si mama si papa.